Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I will be showing you the best tunes to use for ichor grinding. Today in this video, I will just be showing you my personal favorite tunes to use for ichor grinding. Now, if you are a starter, this might not work for you unless you have Rebecca from the Halloween update, but this is an ichor grinding video, so these are my personal favorite tunes to use. So Yada is a pretty great tune, especially with certain trinkets on, like V-Mote and dog plush, because those are walking trinkets are good for her, and so is V-Mote. Better rush to a machine. If you don't have V-Mote, use wrench. If you don't have that, well, I don't know what to tell you. Now, Yada is a pretty great tune, don't get me wrong, but her stamina is not really great. So, if you want to go over to the shop and buy Cooler, I don't have it yet, but you can buy it. It will decrease your walk speed, but it will help your stamina a lot. But yeah, these are all my personal opinions too. The best starter tune that I actually really know right now is Rebecca, and here I am lagging a bit. But Rebecca is a pretty great starter tune, and you should definitely use her if you're ichor grinding. Now the other best tune is Shelly if you're a supporter, and here I am also lagging again. I'm also making this video while grinding for Pebble right now, so here I am just looking at some skins. Also, if you want to friend me so you can, or so I can help you get like a main or something, that is no problem with me. I will help you. If it's for Bobette, I don't know how to help you with that one. And then that's it. So, good luck.